Hello everyone, in this video we'd like to share the work that we finished in the Subaru Outback 2010, the one that we introduced in the video in our channel before when we start the work. So basically this one come with the factory McIntosh sound system here, and it come with the factory reverse camera, but we already removed the navigation system, and we leave the factory camera alone, and then we upgrade with the new camera into the center at the back of the tailgate. So it looks and it works much better, far better high resolution anti-glare super night vision. But talking about the head unit, this one took a great challenge for us to make it happen, actually, because of the McIntosh sound system in the Outback make it so hard to do the work, but it's all done, and currently it's beautifully sit on the dashboard, and it's right within the reach of the fingers and closer to the finger, and it is 10-inch premium setup. So come with the wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay, USB for CarPlay and Android Auto as well, and it connect very well into the sound system and bumps up and boosts up the sound system with the built-in amplifier inside the head unit. So currently the sound is definitely awesome, and we actually have the system running with the 2 USB port, which is inside the glove box, and the reverse camera is already the high performance one that we mentioned. So have a look here at the reverse camera. We already adjust the camera to see the bumper bar, the rear bumper bar, right at the bottom of the screen. So when reverse, it stays centralized at the back and have to see very clear, very clear at the back end. Yeah, so that's what our camera normally does. And here is the wireless Android Auto screen. So the system still working well with the CD player in place, radios, but we already get the radio up to the top, so the radio currently runs much better with the better sound and very good signal over there, because of the high level radio chips built inside the head unit. The steering wheel controls, volume button, and some buttons still work, but not all the buttons connect to the new system here. That's pretty much about the way that new systems connected to the car. And yeah, let's have some sounds now. Probably we play some radios and figure out just how you do it, and God knows I never will. And for me and not her, 'cause girls your age know better. I've made some real big mistakes. I should make the worst one look fine. I should've. So actually you can feel the sound is a lot deeper and clearer when combined with our new head unit amplifier. So everything is beautiful and waiting for the collection from the owner. So Subaru Outback 2010 with McIntosh sound system. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.